After completing B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy, many students feel confused and anxious about their future. Some think pharmacy has very limited option, while others blindly follow friends without understanding the job role. Pharmacy is actually a very wide professional field, offering careers in industry, hospitals, research, government, documentation, safety, teaching, and even digital careers. In this video, I will give you complete and in-depth explanation of how pharmacy careers are classified, what each job role actually does, real life examples of daily work so that you can choose a career based on interest, skills, and long-term growth. So, classification of pharmacy careers. Pharmacy careers are classified into 6 major categories. First, as we all know, pharmaceutical industry careers, research and development, hospital and clinical pharmacy, regulatory affairs and drug safety, academics and government careers, alternatives and emerging career. Now let us understand each category one by one in detail. So the first option or first classification is pharmaceutical industry. The pharmaceutical industry is the largest employer for pharmacy graduates. So various roles under pharmaceutical industry, let's understand each role in depth. First is a production executive. What do you mean by production executive? A production executive is responsible for the manufacturing of medicine in a pharmaceutical plant. They work on the shop floor and ensures medicines are produced safely, correctly, and consistently by following SOPs and GMP, that is good manufacturing practices. So the simple example of production executive is, if a company is manufacturing paracetamol tablet, the production executive verifies raw materials before production, operates granulation, compression and coating machines, maintain batch manufacturing records, ensures daily production targets are achieved. This role requires discipline, accuracy, and teamwork, and it is best suited for B Pharmacy graduate who have interest in manufacturing of medicines. Second role in a pharmaceutical industry is quality control analyst. So, what do you mean by quality control analyst? Quality control analyst ensure that raw material, in-process samples, and finished product meet quality standards. They work mainly in laboratory. For example, before a tablet batch is released, QC means quality control department will check the weight variation, perform dissolution, assay, and impurity test, compares results with pharmacopoeial standard. Only after QC approval can a batch go to market, and it is best suited for B Pharmacy and M Pharmacy students who have interest in testing. Third role is quality assurance officer. So quality assurance focus on systems, documentation and compliance, not testing. QA ensures the entire manufacturing process follows quality guidelines. For example, if a batch fails a QC test, so what QA will do means QA will investigate the root cause and decide batch approval or rejection, prepare deviation reports and documentation, and QA also handles audits and inspections. Next, second career option is research and development. So R&D, that is research and development, mainly focus on innovation and improvement of medicines. Let's see what all the career options or roles which are offered in research and development. So the roles which are offered in research and development are, the first is the most important, formulation scientist. A formulation scientist mainly develops new dosage forms or improves the existing one. If you are interested in formulation and development, you can dream about becoming a formulation scientist. For example, What a formulation scientist will do means to convert a normal tablet into a sustained release tablet, where scientists will select a suitable excipient, conducts multiple trial batches, optimizes drug release over 12 to 24 hours. So this role usually involves problem solving and experimentation, and it is best suited for those who have done M-pharmacy in pharmaceutics. Then second role is clinical research associate. Though so clinical research associate will monitor the clinical trials conducted on human subject. For example, a simple example I will give. So during a clinical trial for any new diabetic drug, so this clinical research associate verify patient consent form, ensures protocol compliance, reports adverse event to sponsor. So this clinical research associate will act as a bridge between hospitals and the sponsor, and it is best career for those who have interest in clinical research and suitable for both B pharmacy and M pharmacy. So the next career option is hospital and clinical pharmacy career. So hospital pharmacy focus on patient-centered care. So the roles which are involved in this hospital and clinical pharmacy are: first is clinical pharmacist. What this clinical pharmacist will do means they work with the doctor to ensure safe and effective drug therapy. For example, if a patient has a kidney disease, so this clinical pharmacist will review prescribed medicine, suggest dose adjustment, and prevent harmful drug interactions. So this role directly impacts patient and safety. So those who have interest in dispensing the medicines, they can go to this clinical pharmacist role. So the next career option is regulatory affairs and drug safety. So these careers are documentation based and globally relevant. First is pharmacovigilance associate. So pharmacovigilance focus on drug safety after market launch. For example, if a patient reports dizziness after taking a medicines, the role of pharmacovigilance associate is to record the adverse drug reactions, assess seriousness, and submit the safety reports to authorities. So this helps prevent serious drug related risk, and it is best suited for M pharmacy student. Second role is regulatory affairs associate. So this regulatory affairs professional handle drug approval documentation. For example, to sell a drug in the US, this regulatory affairs associate, what they will do means they will prepare the CTD dossiers, submit documents to FDA, respond to regulatory queries. So this role offers international exposure, and it is best suited for B pharmacy and M pharmacy students. So the next career option is academics and government careers. After completing B pharmacy and M pharmacy, you can join as assistant professor. So the main role of assistant professor is to teach pharmacy subject and guide student. So if you have interest in teaching or you are passionate about helping the students, you can go to this career, that is assistant professor. Next is under government job, the most dreamed career option for B pharmacy and M pharmacy is to become a drug inspector. So drug inspector ensures safe and legal sale of medicines. So during inspection, they will check the pharmacy license, verify storage condition, and see substandard drugs. So best suited for both M Pharm and B Pharm students. Alternative and emerging career, that is the most underrated career, that is medical writer. So medical writers create scientific and regulatory documents. So they will write clinical study report, drug safety documents, educational contents for doctor. So final conclusion is pharmacy is not a limited career. It is skill-based profession with multiple pathways. So choosing the right career depends on your interest, your strength, and continuous learning. Remember one thing, degree gives entry, skill gives growth. So if you found this video useful, subscribe for more pharmacy career guidance, job roles and real industry insights.